Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the WLX Fractals Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Just drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Okay, so here we go. Now basically this is a simple indicator that tells you the direction of a bar, right? Bill Williams developed the fractal indicator to indicate market reversals. Now the WLX fractal follows the same pattern and tells you where the market is heading, right? Fractals appear when there is a shift in the market pattern. Fractals indicate upward momentum when the market is in an uptrend, all right? And conversely, in a downtrend, fractals indicate downward momentum, all right? So like any other Williams fractal indicator, the WLX fractals indicator draws arrows on the chart to display fractals. So the indicator saves you the hassle as it indicates the entry and exit point. So when you have a blue arrow, this upward arrow, right, it's a sell signal. Okay, the blue upward pointing arrow at the top of a candlestick is actually a sell signal, and you can consider going short. And then when you have a pink downward pointing arrow below a candlestick or at the base of a candlestick is a buy signal, right? So you can consider going long. Okay, but make sure that you always get your confirmations, right? Make sure that you always get confirmations. Do not just blindly enter a trade because you found an a blue signal or a pink signal, right? Make sure that you always get your confirmations. And I'm going to recommend executing sell trades only in a bearish trend, and executing buy trades only in a bullish trend, right? So you just want to enter only sell trades when you notice the market forming lower highs and lower lows. So in this case now, when we had lower highs and lower lows, you can actually execute only sell trades. Here, this would have been a good place to sell, sell here again, here again, here again, right? Okay, but here we had a pullback, right? So ideally you just wait for price to get to the trend line and then you sell so they can maximize your gains, right? Or your potential gains, okay? Because no indicator guarantees profit. Okay, so in a bearish trend, just look out for sell signals. In a bullish trend, look out for buy signals. So the indicator is pretty straightforward and easy to use, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.